Their health insurance plans are comprehensive and their claim process are very smooth. Hello, I'm Bharath. I'm a businessman living in Bangalore. I'm currently a few days shy of 60, but as they say, age is just a number. You need to be young at heart, which I am. I have a small family, a wife and a daughter, and they mean a lot to me. Waking up every morning, going to work is something I really look forward to. And running a dust-controlled business is not an easy task, but something which I've been doing over the last 30 plus years. To make my family feel secure, I decided investing in a good health insurance policy. Hence, I chose TATA AIG Health Insurance. It was just like yesterday, somewhere in 2011, I remember it so clearly in my memory. I got into a freak accident where I totally twisted my body and I hurt my back and I had to undergo an urgent discectomy to get my things in order. Then a few months ago, the back problem just resurfaced and I was extremely in pain. My family was worried because I could hardly walk, and when I was referred to a doctor, they said I needed to go through certain treatments which could also include another discectomy, which made me really worried. So I underwent treatment, spent over a week in the hospital, which cost me a lot of money and financial burden. So I decided to again contact TATA AIG and find out how I could claim reimbursement for my expenses. I had called up the helpline of TATA AIG and they were so kind enough to guide me on how I need to go about it and where I need to upload all the documents online. To my happiness and pleasure, I found that the whole procedure went on so smoothly that I got my reimbursement without any hassle in a few days' time. I can safely say TATA AIG has given me peace of mind in the time of my health crisis.